Hey guys, welcome to a brand new week. So I didn't vlog at all yesterday because mainly I didn't really do anything, but second of all I was just catching up with a friend and we're just playing video games most of the day, so I was like, you guys don't need to see that. Plus I don't want to stick the camera in front of someone's face like that. But it was a good catch up. I had so much fun playing that Kirby game. I have had this Kirby game for years. I just haven't played it because it's a co-op game and you know, it's kind of sad to play alone. It's actually quite a lot of fun. The co-op aspect's pretty good. So me and my friend played it. We got to like the third world and realized we're only 20% done the game, so the game's pretty big. But yeah, we're probably gonna continue it. But then that was basically it. I had dinner and that was it. Today I got one of my Amazon Prime packages. I ordered, as you saw earlier, some pans. They were on sale. It's a set of like 5, but as you saw I only have 2, which is the pot, and this one is like the pan I always used to cook in, but just a smaller version of it. So I only have 2 because I decided to give the other 3 to my mom because I don't really need all 5, and it was a good deal to not get it because I really do need like this is not a giant pot, but I need a pot that's in between my big pan and my small ramen pot. So this is in between, so that's actually pretty good because I have another one that's like not really wide. So it's not the best, and because the bigger it is, the longer it takes to boil. So I think this is a good size. So the other 3, they're not too big, but they're not too small either. I just gave it to my mom. So that's why I only have 2. This one's going to be useful because it's smaller, so if I'm stir frying something smaller, like the shredded pork I always do, then I can use this. Because I always end up using the big guy, and you know, it works out really good, but it just seems like a waste because I don't have that much ingredients sometimes. So yeah. I ordered 2 more. I ordered 1 more thing because you already saw the other one last week, the steamer. So 1 more thing coming, which is not household item. It's a video game. So I ordered everything. But yeah, the Amazon Prime was okay this year. It wasn't too crazy. Anyway, I was gonna watch these right now, but I'm just gonna wait because I have to wake up pretty early tomorrow, and it's like 1 o'clock right now. I have to wake up a little earlier for work, more than usual, because I have to be at work at 8:30, I think. So yeah, I'm gonna get some sleep. Oh my god, this is heavy. I just did a big grocery haul, and oh, that's not enough light, guys. That's a little better. I just did a big grocery haul because I haven't done one in a while. My fridge is looking kind of sad. I did do a good clean yesterday. No, I'm doing a good clean today, but I did throw away some old stuff already, so that helps a lot. I stopped by my mom's earlier because she was really demanding me stop over to pick up this plum because she said she wants me to try to make sure it is sweet because she can't shut up about it, how sweet it is. She also gave me some melon. Anytime there's an opportunity, my mom likes to give me fruit because she doesn't think I eat enough, which is true. Alright. got some more coffee, ran out. And then of course, as I mentioned before, I got a big water so that I have water to drink if I don't have enough because it's been so hot. I've been chugging water like crazy. And don't think I'm bougie, it's Fiji, yeah I know, but it was on sale so I bought it. It was 99 cents, so but yeah. Got some deli meats, I got some potatoes. I had a mad craving for Caesar salad because of Tejon. Because Tejon got like this big tray of Caesar salad at Costco. And not gonna lie, when he set it up at work today, it looked so bloody good. So I was like, I need some of that. So I got that. It might not be as good as the Costco one, but I don't have a Costco membership. And I think my mom's not going to Costco for a while, so I have no choice. Got some Campbell's mushroom soup. I picked up some chicken pot pie. I'm gonna eat one for dinner tonight, and I'll see one for the day after for work. And then I got some shredded chicken as well. Cause I need to stop buying food at work again. I was so good for such a long time, not buying any food and just bringing food, but it's just on the days where I'm opening or doing morning shifts, I don't have time to eat, right? So I just wake up, get ready, and I go to work. On days where I close or work late, I definitely have time in the morning to make my food, and then I'm usually good all day because I'm not hungry at 5. So I just come home, have a little snack, and then I'm off to bed. But it's the morning shifts that I end up being hungry. So I decided to maybe I should get back into cooking. Plus, I've been pretty good with my takeout. I've been ordering takeout. So yeah, and I want to save as much money as I can. Because this bitch right here is going to go to Korea again, and of course I don't like watching my wallet when I'm on vacation, so yeah. It doesn't fit. Bugger. It kind of does. I'll just do that. It's not safe though. Okay, got my coffee. This is my first time actually buying this, but I've never actually bought zero sugar 7-Up. I was gonna reach for the zero sugar Pepsi or Coke Zero again, but I was like, you know what? I've never really tried 7-Up, and you know how much I love lime and lemon, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna be good. I've had a very productive day off already, even though I'm still in pajamas and stuff. I woke up this morning and I got most of my chores done. I did the laundry, it just needs to be folded, because usually I don't start the laundry till now. It's all washed, I just have to fold it now. I vacuumed, I made a nice big lunch, and now I'm a little peckish, so I made a snack. I just have some melon that I kind of froze a little bit. Not froze, I put it in the freezer like 5 minutes before I eat it, so it's extra cold. And it's like really good. And it's really sweet right now. And then I also have some yogurt. But yeah, after I finish eating, I'm gonna fold the laundry, and then I'm going to, what was I gonna do? I was gonna grab a shower finally, and then I'm gonna go out to go buy some more groceries. I know I did a big grocery haul yesterday, but I didn't buy certain things. Like I don't have enough proteins, because I'm trying to make sure I am cooking at home. If I have anything to cook with at home, I'm more likely to buy takeout. I did clean my fridge a little bit, so I didn't show it, but it's, you know, it was nasty and boring, so I didn't bother showing it. So I'm gonna go pick up some proteins, and then that way I can last until Monday before I need to buy groceries again. Because technically I do have Sundays off, it's just that Sundays I don't like going to grocery stores because they are so busy. So I'm gonna go buy enough that I can last for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then Monday doesn't matter because I'm going off work and going because I'm off early enough. Because when it comes to me having a late shift, I don't tend to have time to go to the grocery store because by the time I'm off work, they're closed. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna eat my snack and watch some random YouTube and then carry on the rest of my day off. I am so tired. I started crashing at 11, so like, I better grab a shower before I completely fall asleep. Grabbed it, and then I did the cleanup, and then I'm crashing really heavily right now, but then I was like, oh, I didn't end the vlog yet, so yeah. I think I'm just tired because the last 2 days, it was just, I didn't sleep very well. Even though the temperature was a lot cooler, it's just still kind of warm in here, so I still didn't sleep very well. There was a night where I slept pretty well, but then there was both my days off, I had to wake up pretty early still, so I didn't get to sleep in and catch up on sleep. So that could be a contributing fact why I'm still tired right now. My eyes are closed, aren't they? So that could be it. Today the work was extremely busy, so I was running around and talking a lot, so that probably drained what I had left. Like halfway playing video games, I was dozing off, so yeah. So we're gonna get some sleep. It's 1 right now, so yeah, I'm probably sleeping. And then tomorrow I don't have too much going on my day off. I just need to edit the vlog and then do the cleanup, and then I have to go to Burnaby area because Siobhana's having her birthday dinner tomorrow, so there's lots of fun Italian restaurant. I'll probably vlog it. And then I also have a concert next week. So a lot more going on next week, that's for sure. So yeah. Anyway, was there anything I'm missing? I don't think so. Yeah, no, I think I'm good. So I'm gonna end the vlog here before I completely fall asleep with my eyes open. So I'll see you all next week.